Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Suwanee, Georgia today. This morning it's about 10:15. We've done the walkthrough with the, this is a rental. They're moving in while their house is being built for 5 months and they wanted it freshened up before they move in. This is a $300 job. Carpets are in really good shape. They definitely need a good vacuuming for sure. Did not run across any spots or areas of carpet that appeared to be problematic or cause of any kind of an issue. It does smell like that Carpet Fresh sprinkle stuff that they use, which was one of the concerns that she had. And as with most people, typically most common cleanings are move in, move out. Definitely move in because people want to start fresh when they move in their houses. Get everybody's stuff out that was there before you. So like I said, this is a $300 job. See, that's just dust. Dust along the baseboard here. I don't think whoever moved out even had it vacuum. I mean, you've seen vacuum marks, but as with most people, they don't use the crevice tool that gets right up against the edge there. So this is going to be, there's 4 bedrooms up here. Bedrooms are kind of small, but like I said, the carpet's in relatively good shape. The biggest traffic pattern is actually the master here, which doesn't show up as much here as it does the other direction. And typically, as with most houses, the traffic pattern goes right around the doorway into the bathroom. That's the most common traffic pattern in a house. Apparently people go straight from the bathroom to the hallway, hallway to the bathroom. So like I said, it's about 10:15. We will shoot an after video just so you can see. But even if there were spots, heavily sold areas, things of that nature, those would all be included in the price. So stay tuned for the after. All right, we just finished up this $300 job. There's not much to see. It's 11:30. I will walk you through it. I gotta turn the fans on. Like I said, not much to see. I did notice a couple spots in the master during pre-treatment, look like pea spots. Everything else looks good, smells good. Should be dry in about an hour or two. There was a pea spot over there. And there was one right in there somewhere. Fan. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. We do sell our product. If you're interested in purchasing our product, I know this job is not much to showcase it on because there wasn't much here to do. These are we love these kind of jobs. Quick, easy in and outs. No, not a lot of spots or heavily sold areas. This only happens, I would say, 30-40% of the time. Most of the time, there's spots or heavily sold areas, things of that nature, pet spots or things along those lines. So you can't ever tell. But if we did, there was no upsells, no per spot fees. I did want to mention we had a customer call yesterday. He was going to use Zero Res, but Zero Res, if you don't have a Zero Res in your area, Zero Res is their tagline is there's no residue because they use empowered water, which is, water. There is no Soapy Residue similar to us. But they do have upsells, per spot fees, trip charges, etc., etc. And my belief is that's the reason he switched over to use me, because Zero Res would not let him prepay. Zero Res did quote him quoted him higher than I quoted him, which, I'm okay with. But they wouldn't let him prepay. The reason they wouldn't let him prepay is because obviously they can't, do their upsells, their per spot fees, their trip charge, all that kind of stuff if they're doing prepay, and maybe that's a question you want to ask if you're looking to have your carpets cleaned. Say, hey, can I prepay? You've quoted me $150. You've quoted me $200. Can I prepay? And just see what they say. Usually we train people to, when people call us, we say, hey, get a quote, may sound great. Ask them, can I make out the check before you get here, and just wait and see what they say. Unfortunately, the carpet cleaning industry is notorious for upsells, per spot fees, trip charge, Scotch Guard, all these things to increase, the costs, of what the quote you've asked for. So you don't ask for a quote, don't ask for an estimate, ask for a quote. We call ours exactaments with a, guaranteed pricing quote, which if you're charged more than what you're quoted, the entire carpet cleaning is free. So you either pay what we've quoted you or you pay nothing. So it's a win-win. So please keep us in mind for your carpet cleaning, hardwood floors, tile, linoleum needs. And again, if you're interested in starting a business, we have that opportunity available. You can visit us on the web at omgfloorcare.com or call us directly at 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we look forward to posting a few more videos.